Representing Aryan Khan have said Aryan Khan did not have cash to buy drugs, even if they were available. The lawyer says Aryan did not have substance to sell. The legal team representing Aryan Khan is adding he did not have drugs to consume. He did not have cash to buy those drugs. No connection with other accused that have been taken into custody as well. Saurabh Vakhtania joining me. Saurabh, take us through one by one what the advocate Amit Desai is currently telling to the court with regard to Aryan Khan. They are being very strongly defending him, saying if he didn't have cash, if he didn't consume any drugs, what is the reason that he's still in custody?
Well, Amit Desai is the top lawyer of Mumbai. He's a criminal lawyer and he knows how to get into this. And this is what is right now happening inside the court, Pooja. First of all, he's saying that first 3 accused were arrested. One is Munmun Dhamecha, Aryan and Aryan's friend Arbaz Merchant. Now, what he's saying is they don't know Munmun Dhamecha, from where all of these 3 were arrested. There was a particular room from what the NCB is saying, from where all of them were arrested. First of all, he's saying that they don't know Munmun Dhamecha. Second is saying that there was nothing found from him. There was no cash. There was no drugs found from him. The Panchnama also clearly state this, that nothing was found from Aryan Khan. Now, they are saying that there is a big picture. NCB officials saying that this is a huge conspiracy which is going on out in this particular case, and there's a very serious case against Aryan Khan and other, and therefore the bail application should be rejected. Here what Amit Desai is saying that Aryan Khan is not involved in procuring drugs. Procurement of the drugs and the possession is found from Arbaz Merchant, and with whom he has nothing to do with it. So he's saying that there is no huge conspiracy and you cannot hold a particular person for so long inside a custody when nothing is found from that particular person. But NCB here, what Pooja, they will be saying is that when they were living for this particular party, Arbaz Merchant, Aryan Khan and 2 others were present in one particular car, and from Bandra West they left to this particular international cruise terminal. Very important part here, Pooja, is also the name of Pratik Gaba has come up in the court again. Pratik Gaba is one of the person in which NCP party's leader Nawab Malik has alleged that they have a particular linkage with BJP, and they too were involved in this particular party. But Pratik Gaba and Rahul Sachdeva and one other person were not arrested. They were let off. Immediately after which NCB officials took a press conference. Just within an hour they took a press conference saying that nothing was found from them and therefore they were released.